1. Sign up for an Upwork account. If you haven't already, create an account on Upwork by visiting their website and clicking on the Sign Up button. 2. Fill out your profile. Your Upwork profile should showcase your skills and experience to potential clients. 3. Make sure to include a professional profile picture and a clear and concise summary of your expertise. 4. Search for relevant jobs. Browse the available jobs on Upwork and find ones that match your skills and experience. 5. You can search for jobs by keyword, category, or job type. 6. Read the job description. Once you've found a job you're interested in, read the job description carefully. 7. Make sure you understand the requirements and deliverables. 8. Write a personalized proposal. To submit a proposal, click the Submit a Proposal button on the job posting. 9. Write a personalized message to the client that addresses their specific needs and showcases your relevant experience. 10. Make sure to include your rate and estimated timeline for completing the project. 11. Submit your proposal. Once you've written your proposal, review it carefully for any errors or typos, and then submit it. 12. Follow up. If the client is interested in your proposal, they may reach out to you with additional questions or a request for an interview. 13. Make sure to respond promptly and professionally. 14. Negotiate terms. If the client is interested in hiring you, negotiate the terms of the project, including the scope of work, timeline, and payment. 15. Accept the job. Once you and the client have agreed on the terms, accept the job on Upwork.